Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. This is the continuation video of Kongsberg system upgradation. As in the earlier video, I showed you how we did the upgradation by replacing the existing system and complete removal of the old wiring with your DPU units. As you can see, the junction boxes and all, we have made it operational and all the wirings are intact and in good condition. So you can see we have done all the renewal for DPU unit, PSU unit and SCPC unit. And this is the new RPM meter we have installed. This is the display, and we are finally power up the system, which is the latest one. And as you can see, there are no alarms, nothing, no error alarms. So now we will be trying out the engines as our generators are back in power. Then will be like trying out the engines and maneuvering the vessel. So finally we have done our job very nicely, and this is the exact situation. Okay, and I hope you like this video. Once we are power up, then we will see all the parameters, so everything is in line. You can see it is zero calibrated also.